Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at TripAdvisor? This is ticker TRIP. I don't know about you, but I got a ton of friends that are telling me about their summer plans, where they're going on vacation and holiday this year. And so that brought me to just check out what the travel stocks are doing. And I definitely see some potential here in TripAdvisor. You can see off of its last two positive earnings reports, we've had some positive price action where it's been riding up this cluster of moving averages. In the recent days, it's just kind of been going sideways, consolidating nicely, but it's good to see that this is holding up despite the weakness in the overall stock market. If I zoom out here, we can see a pretty clear resistance zone on TripAdvisor right around that $28 level right there. And we can see how this level was pretty important on the way down. It acted as support a few times, and now it's pretty clear resistance and has been since 2022. And so I definitely think we should be watching for a breakout above 28 bucks right there on TripAdvisor. May take a couple of weeks. I'd like the moving averages to really be closer to that breakout zone just because we can see support is way down here at the 21-day EMA. So you don't usually, especially in this kind of market environment, don't usually want to be buying way up here if support is way down here. And so I definitely would wait for some further consolidation in this chart and then potentially a breakthrough 28 on volume for some follow through to the upside. So that's just one of many stocks that I'm looking at tonight at stockmarketmentor.com. While the market is in some sort of consolidation, it sure is a good time to build your watch list. You can check out mine tonight. Just take a trial, click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.